There are a lot of people who think, is it true, this whole thing about stem cell? Like, is it just a hype? And you just have no idea. You have no idea what the world of medicine is going to be, let's say in 20, 30 years from now. It makes me think of the first time that the Wright brother flew for about 100 meters. So imagine that this happens in today's world with social media. First time somebody posts that on Instagram, most people would say, this is fake. You know, how can you fly? This is ridiculous. Then everybody will have podcasts about how ridiculous that is, until they see a plane flying in the sky, and then half the population will say, it's a fake video, it's a trick. Because it's hard to make it sink in, you know, that we can fly. And then a century later, there's 1 million flights a day happening. Same thing with stem cells. Here's one study that is like the first flights of the Wright brothers in the world of stem cells. This is a study where the group of Dr. Doris Taylor took the heart of a mouse, extracted the heart, and circulated in the heart muscle enzymes that digested all the cardiac muscle of the heart. So at the end, you're left with the soft skeleton of the heart, the collagen of the heart, that still retains the trace that it was a heart. And on that collagen, they laid out stem cells isolated from that same animal. And within about 2 weeks, you get a beating heart in a test tube.